Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to set up timer on your Samsung Smart TV. As you can see on the screen now, I have the off timer and we can set it to schedule and we can set it into schedule. You can see here we have the Monday to Friday. Also we can set every day, Monday to Saturday and Sunday, and we also can select it manually. You can select Sunday, Tuesday, off, and Friday, and any day you want to set. Okay, to go to this screen, now I'm going back to the home page first, and then you press the setting on your remote, and when you reach this display, you go to general and then press the right and go down to system manager. Then you can see here's the time setting and select it. Now I already set the sleep timer and off timer. So here we have the two choice option. First one is the sleep timer. We can set up it from 180 minutes to 30 minutes. And now I already set up a time set, and then it count down up to 19 minutes, and then it will sleep the TV, and you can change it to 60 minutes. That means that after 60 minutes your TV will sleep. And then we have another option is the off timer. This is what I show you at the first time. So you can go to time and then change it to what time you want to off your TV. And then for example I set it to 20, and then it this number is represent the minute, and then 22 and 30. That means the 10:30 p.m. and then you can set up it Saturday and Sunday. So you can depend on the tick on the you can depend on the tick on each day you want to set up. And then to cancel all the timer, you just go to the off, and then you now clear the timer setting, and then we go back to the sleep timer again, and then I off it also. And that's all for today of how you can set up the timer setting on your Samsung Smart TV. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.